Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is class 11th, subject economics, higher secondary school khumriyal. Topic is presentation of data and today's topic is classification of tabular presentation. This is subtopic classification of tabular presentation. How do you classify the tabular presentation? It is the question. How do you classify the tabular presentation? Tabular presentation is based on fourfold classification of data. Tabular presentation is based on fourfold classification of data. Number one, qualitative classification of data and tabular presentation. Number two, quantitative classification. Number first is qualitative classification. Number second is quantitative classification. Number third, it is temporal classification. And last is special classification. Now, what is qualitative classification? Qualitative classification of data and tabular presentation. When data are presented on the basis of qualitative attributes or qualitative characteristics of a phenomena, example, data of unemployment may be related to men, women, skilled, unskilled, etc. This is the qualitative classification. Number two is quantitative classification. Quantitative classification is of tabular presentation. In this tabular presentation, data are classified on the basis of quantitative characteristics of a phenomena. Example, data on marks in economics by the students of class 11th. This is the quantitative classification. Number third is temporal classification of data and tabular presentation. When data are classified on the basis of time and time becomes the classifying variable and time becomes the classifying variable. For example, sale of cell phones in different years. Number four and last is special classification. In special classification, place or location becomes the classifying variable. Place or location becomes the classifying variable. It may be a village, a town, a district or a state, or a country as a whole. Now, see here these tables. This is unemployment in Kashmir. Location, here it is Kashmir. Unemployment in Kashmir is, this is sex, male, female, then total. Here it is rural, urban. Male 20, in rural, urban 10. Female 30, in rural, urban 20. Total 50, 30. Rural 50, urban 30. This is the qualitative tabular presentation. This is the qualitative tabular presentation because here it is male and female. We can show here skilled and unskilled too. Skilled and unskilled persons too. So this is the qualitative. Number two, this is the marks of class 11th. Marks from 20 to 30, number of students is 5. From 30 to 40, number of students is 8. From 40 to 50, number of students 10. From 50 to 60, number of students 15. This is the quantitative tabular presentation. Quantitative tabular presentation. Number third is temporal. It indicates time here. In which year? Say annual sale of cell phones, year sale. 2011, rupees 5 lakh sale. 2012, 7 lakh sale. 13, 9 lakh sale. 14, 10 lakh sale. 15, 12 lakh sale. So this indicates the temporal classification or temporal classification of tabular presentation. Now, at last, it is spatial classification. Here it is Indian students in abroad or in foreign countries. Here it is country name and here it is number of students. Country name is the location here. So it is called special classification of tabular presentation. Special classification of tabular presentation. Country is USA, number of students reading there 5,000. In UK, number of students 10,000. In Japan, number of students 4,000. In Russia, number of students 9,000. So these are the tabular presentation according to classification. This is the tabular presentation. Qualitative tabular presentation, quantitative tabular presentation, temporal classification of tabular presentation, and special classification of tabular presentation. Thank you.